Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. So today's video is creating a Python AI web automation agent. So artificial intelligence AI agents are designed to understand user instructions, make decisions and perform tasks automatically. While advanced AI agents use large language models such as ChatGPT or Gemini, beginners can start by creating a rule-based AI automation agent using Python. In this project, we will build a Python AI web automation agent that accepts simple natural language commands like open Google, open CLCODING, open GitHub, or search Python automation. Based on the user's input, the program automatically opens website or performs a Google search in the default web browser. So this project demonstrates several important Python concepts including importing built-in modules, infinite loops, user input handling, string manipulation, conditional statement, and browser automation using web browser module. Although this is a rule-based automation agent, rather than a full AI system, it provides an excellent introduction to how intelligent assistant process command and execute actions. So let's start this importing the module. So this imports the built-in module to open websites in the default browser. And here we are just printing a decorative separator for this. And this displays the application title. And now we will display some simple commands for the user to understand this. Like open Google, open CLCODING, open GitHubs. So here we have defined different commands for the user to understand this. And now we will just run continuously until the user exits. So for that we'll use the while loop. So here this read user input and remove extra spaces and convert it into the lowercase. So here this is the exit condition. If the user enters exit, the program will be exited. And now we will check whether the user wants Google or not. So here with the elif statement we are just checking that the user wants to open Google or not, and if the user just enter Google, so AI agent will open and redirect to the Google page. Similarly, we'll check for the another one. So this will check whether the user wants CLCODING. And through here we will open the CLCODING. So this will open the CLCODING websites directly. And now in the same way we will check for the GitHub as well with the same elif statement. Now moving on to the next one. So here the nextly will move to detect Google search command. So this will detect the Google search command. And this will remove the word search. So here this creates a dynamic Google search URL using an F string where query is equals to Python automation, so the browser opens directly to the search result. So here this execute when the command is not found. And now let's run this and check. So here we can see the output of this and we can search from all these. So let's search this. So for example, let's search for Google. So here we can see it directly redirect us to the Google. Now let's see for another one. So as we can see, as we searched for CLCODING, so it redirected us to the CLCODING website. So here you can find different online courses, different books and different question papers for cybersecurity, React, Flutter, automation testing, software engineering. There are most of the key learning resources available on CLCODING, including Python programming, artificial intelligence and machine learning, data science, web development, SQL and databases. Now let's move on to the next one. So now let's check for Python automation. So as you can see that the Python AI web automation agent is a beginner friendly project that demonstrates how Python can interpret simple user command and automate web related tasks. By combining the web browser module with loops, conditional statement and string manipulation, the program can launch website and perform Google searches based on natural language like input. So although This project does not use a large language model or advanced machine learning. It introduces the core idea behind AI assistant, receiving instruction, interpreting user intent, and executive action automatically. This makes it more excellent stepping stone towards building more sophisticated AI application. So if you like this video, do like, share, subscribe for more Python tutorials, and thanks for watching today's video.